The pause pulse squat is a great way to warm up your legs for any lower body sessions and especially any squat pattern movements you might be doing. I like to work with about 25% of the 1 rep max weight. If you don't know your 1 rep max weight, go for about 25% of your training weight, or you can do this just body weight as well. So what you want to do is get a weight. You can do this goblet squat, like I said, body weight. You can even do it with the rack position, barbell across the back. You can do it front squat, whatever. You just need to get into a deep squat movement. So myself, most other people, probably a goblet squat allows you to get nice and deep. And today I'm using a heel plate as well to help get that extra depth. What we want to do is, in your squat pattern, squat down to full depth and then hold at the bottom for 5 seconds. So squat all the way down, hold, keeping that back angle. And once you've completed 5 seconds, pulse halfway up. So you find that difficult part past that sticking point, all the way down to that full stretch, and then all the way up. That will be 1 rep. Then what I like to do is complete about 5 of these back to back for the warm-up portion of that squat pattern.